How to delete TikTok profile photo. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete TikTok profile on your TikTok ID. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open TikTok app with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok app with your account, you'll got such interface. So now from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so simply from here, you'll have to tap on this edit profile option. Alright, so now on the top you'll got options like change photos, so simply you have to tap on it. Alright, so now from here you can see that there is no any official way to delete your TikTok profile photo, so there is no any options. So alternatively you'll have to do one thing from here, as you'll have to go the option select from your gallery, and now from there you can easily select a white screen or black screen. And now after you select and set the black screen or white screen on your profile picture, you'll be able to delete your TikTok profile photo. So this is the easiest and simplest alternative method to delete TikTok profile photo. So if you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.